a watcher of the platform, John D67. I did a fall review, my top 10 for fall, and of course, you know, one of my all-time perennial favorites is from the house of Paco Rabanne 1 Million Prive was in my top 10 list. Of course, always my top 10 for fall. And you know, I kind of mentioned the fact that there wasn't a Middle Eastern clone for this particular fragrance. So once again, shout out to John D67. I do watch my viewers and subscribers. I do respond to their comments and you know, pick up any information or tips that I might get. He put me onto the fact that the house of Pendora Scents actually has created a dupe of the 1 Million Prive, and they call it Milano Prive. I had no idea. So you know, I looked at it and I was like, man, this is actually a dupe of one of my favorite fragrances of all time. So I don't have to keep taxing this juice, because as you can see, I've put a huge dent in it. I'm trying to, and just like he said, you know, I'm trying to you know, hold on to my good juice. So John D67, thank you for putting me on to this. This is from this is my first time ordering from Aroma Concepts. They're a company based in Florida. I went to FragranceFiendz because I actually found it on FragranceFiendz, and it's just wild stuff. Because I went there, it was sold out. I got it on the notification list. Like about a week later, they sent me an email. I go there, boom. I put it in my cart. You know, I was at work when this happened. When I got the email, so I put it in the cart. I was okay, good. I'm gonna go back and get it. Like maybe like 2 hours later, I came back to it and it was gone. It was sold out. So I was like, man, you know what? This is the second time this has happened. Let me find this thing. So I actually ended up getting it from Aroma Concepts. Cost about $35. So let's see. Let's get into this, and hopefully it's worth the price. So let's open her up. Box, you see where they're going with that? Same color as the 1 Million Prive, pretty much. And here's the you know, scan code in the back. I mean, you see where they're going with this. The gold and the brown, got the hologram on the back. So see, here's the box. Bottle. So the bottle, I mean, really not a lot to write home about. I mean, it's a plain glass bottle. You know, Pendora Scents. I'm really excited to this is my first time spraying it on, smelling it. I'm thinking, because I mentioned it before, the House of Pendora in Paris Corner, you know, Paris Corner / Pendora Scents are fast becoming my favorite Middle Eastern house. Their clones are on point, and they perform, if not better than original. So I'm really excited to put this on skin. So let's see. Like I said, bottle. There's the bottle, gold. You know, it's okay. I mean, it's passable. Took the cap off. There's the atomizer. Now I see already. Look at that. Boom. I knew it. This happened to me before a couple times on Pendora Scents. So like, you know, a lot of times the quality of the bottle is not there, but we're not really concerned about the bottle. We're concerned about the juice inside. So let's give it a go. Let's see. Okay. Let's hit the wrist. I do have something on my hand. Let's hit the wrist. Let me get the sprayer on there. Oh, shit. Let's get the wrist. All right, that sprayer is tight, weak. Uh-oh, yeah. It's coming right up. Yep. Oh, yeah. Yep. This is in the ballpark. Yeah. Spray a little bit on the hand here. It's a wider surface. All right, now the spray is acting a little better now. Yeah. Yep. It's a little. It's not as deep, of course, not as deep as Prive off top, but it's in the ballpark. It's getting there. Yeah, I can definitely pick up the apple pie vibes in this a little bit. Yeah, we'll see how the dry down is. Yeah, we'll see how the dry down is on this one. But I mean, it's always sold out for a reason, and you know, I see. Yeah, it's in that ballpark. We'll probably have to do an A likes on this one as we give it some more wears. Yeah, so far so good. smells good. I think it's there. I think it's there. And it's good to know that there is a substitute, a dupe on the market of one of my favorite scents of all time that is long discontinued, that even a lot of perfume, I mean, you know, a lot of fragrance viewers don't even know about. Like when they talk about their favorite 1 million, it's not even mentioned this one, and I don't know how you cannot mention this one. It's my favorite from 1 million line. The juice color, of course, this one is going to be darker, but we'll see how it develops. And one more time, shout out to my man John D67 for putting me onto this one. And yeah, good stuff from the house of Pendora Scents, MilanoPrive. FragranceFiendz, that's all I have for you. Until next time, take care.